Hello friends, welcome to Jimmy's Kitchen. Our today's recipe is Gobi 65. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Before we get started, we need to soak the cauliflower florets in hot boiling water to kill in any impurities. Once it's done, we drain the water, add in salt, then we add in turmeric, chili powder. We have used Kashmiri red chili powder. Next we add in the garam masala. Next goes in the ginger garlic paste. Now mix it well. And next goes in the corn flour. Give it a mix and keep it aside. Now let's have a look at what is required to prepare the batter for coating the cauliflower. First we add in the plain flour along with the corn flour and rice flour. Add in salt as per your taste. Then we add in the turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala. Give it a mix. And now we add in the ginger garlic paste along with the soya sauce. Add in water as required so that you get the desired consistency, which is something like this. And now we add in this batter to the marinated cauliflower florets. Mix it well so that they are nicely coated, and then deep fry them till they are nice and golden brown. Once this is done, we now prepare the tempering. For this, we heat in some oil in a saucepan. Then we add in the chilies, along with the curry leaves. We saute it till it's nice and aromatic, and then we add in the cauliflower florets. And here's our Gobi 65 ready.